not even like, they don't even have interesting conversations anymore. They just want to like get into your pants. Like, can I buy you a drink?
No. What are you looking for then?
What am I looking for?
In a man.
Has to be a man.
That's a good place to start.
That's a very nice start. How would you prefer someone approach you?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. He has to be funny though. If you're funny, that's it.
That's it.
No, not that's it. But there are a lot more things to it.
But are you looking? Like, are you open to a relationship?
Yeah. Are you asking me out?
Huh? Bro, okay, listen. Let's go. Jia Shankar on Untriggered podcast. Welcome. Yesterday,
We've started already?
Yeah.
Wow, finally.
Sat told
2
me.
घंटे बाद.
But don't throw shade in the first 30 seconds, yaar. Wait, thoda.
Decided, bro. She's like, fuck it. They've told her, na, you're a celebrity. She's like, fuck both of y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah, where are the other two?
Other two have jobs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. हम दोनों ही है बेरोजगार officially.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. We tried to watch your movie yesterday because I found out yesterday that we're doing this. And
That's when you decided to watch the film. Otherwise, you wouldn't have.
Honestly,
You put
honest
me-
answer.
you
Do you
put
want
me
an
on the-
honest answer?
Yeah, why not?
no, I'll tell you honestly.
Why not? It's a bloody hit film.
It is. It's a huge film.
Yeah.
Blockbuster.
Blockbuster.
You watch your own film?
Of course I do. If
But-
I don't, if
How
I
would
wouldn't
you
watch
rate it
my
out of 10?
10.
Yeah, it's that good.
No, I would rate it. Honestly, I would rate it like 7.
7.
I'm so honest.
No, that just shows that you know this is not your best. You can do better.
Of course.
Yeah, but the film is doing great, like so great that we couldn't even go watch it.
I
Like,
know.
Yeah, I even
That's
tried.
your excuse. Okay.
No,
No,
I-
genuinely.
I know.
I'll send you screenshots. I messaged him. I was like, bro, we're doing this podcast. Of course, we have to watch the film.
Yeah.
But then,
It's sold out. Like literally every single theater we checked
Yeah.
in and around our house.
Especially in Pune. Yeah.
in Pune, it's sold out.
Yeah.
And everything was like either filling fast. I was like, okay, let's see 9:30 ka ek show. That's the only realistic time. It was gone. 10:30
Yeah.
though was sold out at some fucking 12 in the afternoon, bro.
you knew
Yeah?
it was going to
Wow.
blow up.
No, not really. Like, I didn't think that it would be like this huge because now people are really, I mean, they're thinking like twice before going to theaters. You know, like OTT pe aa hi jayega. Let's just wait. But then if something is really bloody good, then they will go to the cinema halls. And that's what happened with our film. It was good and mouth publicity and everything happened. So then they went for it.
Yeah. And that's your first
बस
film
इसके
ever.
बाद मुझे काम मिल जाए कुछ अच्छा
आ जाएगा, bro.
अभी तो मिलेगा
This
ही
is
ना,
just the
अभी तो-
beginning.
आई नो ये पॉडकास्ट के बाद जरूर मिलेगा ना इसलिए कर रही हूँ ना मैं ये
100%.
This is
Your
your
team
real
has to
test.
ensure.
फिल्म तो सब कर लेते हैं ब्रो, पॉडकास्ट अच्छे से कोई नहीं करता.
हाँ क्या ये भी टैलेंट होना चाहिए सब में नहीं होता
या पर पॉडकास्ट के लिए रियल बनना पड़ता है
yeah
और बहुत लोग नहीं कर सकते वो तो.
See, this
for
is
that
like
you have to exhale the bullshit
this is Gia unfiltered, basically.
yes
Yeah.
I'm always anyway unfiltered
अभी कैमरा पे you can't be ना. Now you're a public.
I am even on camera I am
Now you're a celebrity though.
अभी
ठीक है
तो
but still I will be honest
स्टोरी डालते वक्त 2 बार तो सोचेगी ना कि फक.
नहीं मैं इतना नहीं सोचती यार
नहीं
और मैं कभी सोचूंगी भी नहीं because I
Was that someone just trying to diss us, bro, with this?
who the hell is
coming in
this
that thing?
It won't catch us check on the order.
वेड पठान अभी से
पठान बज रहा है.
Yeah.
मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था ब्रो. That tells you how that movie is gonna do.
no I hope it does well man
या ब्रो.
yeah
शाहरुख तो प्यार है.
इससे पहले कि हमारी मूवी हिंदी में डब होके आ जाए और वो भी हिट हो जाए पठान लेट्स होप दैट इट डज वेल
या सिनेमा के लिए.
oh no
भाई अभी तो वो बोलने के बाद you don't know who you are going to please and who you are going to piss off.
exactly no but I love Shah Rukh Khan man
Yeah.
and I love Deepika like best people
Who doesn't?
yeah
Yeah.
but more than loving Shah Rukh as an actor every time you see him speak it's like what are you university like what are you
Yeah, he's very charismatic.
yeah पहले तो एनसाइक्लोपीडिया लेके बैठ जाओ यार उसके सामने एवरी टाइम ही स्पीक्स इट्स लाइक डिक्शनरी ये क्या बोला
Sometimes he just throws
so-
words I've never heard before.
Yeah.
I think he does it just for the fun of it at this point.
No, he's just
He's
a good
amazing.
speaker.
He's a very,
Yeah.
very good orator.
Yeah.
I would say his real life personality is better than his acting also. Like
I've not said that.
I would rather watch Shah Rukh ka interview than a movie.
Yeah, his interviews are very witty.
Yeah. Yeah.
That shows that he's actually very smart.
Yeah. He is.
All these comedians they speak about वो comedians जो award shows लिखते हैं ना, so they talk about how we write these jokes and then Shah Rukh goes on stage वो अपना ही करता है कुछ.
Yeah.
वो अपना ऐड करता है jokes and they're like how is he funnier than us comedians?
He's so witty.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's too many clips of him. वो तो shorts पे आते रहते हैं. I keep scrolling and then and ये interview वाले जो movie का press कर रहे हैं, they sometimes they ask questions. उनको कुछ तो ऐसा crazy response चाहिए किसी से और he never gives them that.
Yeah, because he's so witty. He's like, I don't know, you will eventually get that, but in a very quirky way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो इंटरव्यू वाले को भी समझेगा नहीं कि क्या
Yeah.
बोल दिया इसने उसके ऊपर से जाएगा.
Yeah.
Is he your favorite?
Nobody's my favorite. I am my favorite.
I love that. But who did you look at to get inspired?
I love your confidence, but
नहीं, like whose work do you look up to and you're like fuck.
yeah, there's someone that you'll have like
No,
a
I watch
benchmark
everything.
figure.
No, I watch everything. You know, sometimes you learn things from people who are not even like superstars. You know, like who are not even like at the top of the market, but they are outstanding. I learned so much from the girl. Like there was this show that I did. It was my kid, played my kid. Outstanding. I was like,
How old was she?
यार बच्चों से तो बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है यार because they don't have to think anything.
Yeah.
उनके दिमाग में कुछ डाला ही नहीं है. They're just blank slate.
Yeah.
They're outstanding. Like even the child, the Khushi who played my daughter in the film. She is brilliant. There's so much that I could learn from her. So yeah.
Yeah, there are some of these child actors who like you watch them and you're like fuck. I remember when Darshil Safari ka Tare Zameen Par came out, bro, and everyone was like, no one has ever seen a child act that well.
Yeah.
Fun fact,
I've cried so much watching that film.
Yeah, मेरे ट्यूशन टीचर ने सारे बच्चों को साथ में they took us to for this movie और माँ बाप के साथ.
Oh no.
हाँ, तो for like 2 exams after that they didn't shout at us for getting bad marks. They were like, oh,
They're
maybe
like, what if my child is dyslexic?
Oh my god.
maybe painting तो कर ही लेगा मतलब.
No, after watching that movie,
you know, while I was watching this film, my Masi and my mother were sitting together, and वो पता है उसको उसका पेपर दिखाते हैं और उसमें सब अंडा अंडा लिखा होता है 0-0. And my mom goes like, हाँ जिया का भी सेम ही आता था.
You were bad at school?
I was very bad.
Really?
But sports quota.
oh, which game did you play?
Kho.
Coco.
I mean, why was there such a long pause, bro? That's
But I don't know,
Such a
like
nice game.
Coco, like when I came here, it was like people are playing basketball, football, this, that. I'm like, Coco? तो मुझे शर्म आती थी यार बोलने में. Coco. But otherwise, also I was a gymnast, so.
Okay, you
that
should have
counts.
started with
you should
that.
have started with gymnast and then said like Coco, like softly.
But then
thoda.
वो स्कूल में थोड़ा ये हुआ था ना. But then I actually got it from gymnastics. Yeah.
That's nice.
Can you do a backflip?
Not now.
You used to?
Yeah, I used to.
Oh,
I used to do
shit.
everything.
You could do that full split and all of that.
Yeah, full split, backflip, front flip, blah, blah. Fumbles along with that.
Clearly shows how good you were.
Cartwheel, yeah, cartwheel, everything like this. There was so much.
Bro, if you've like done it back then, you can probably just learn it pretty quickly now. If you do a backflip in a movie now, bro, imagine the theater. Like if you
Start
suddenly just
clapping,
pull a
bro.
backflip out of
I
nowhere.
can do it. Like I just have to practice. Like 2 weeks of practice, I'd be able to do it because I can do a command. Do you know what a command is?
No.
In yoga, they call it something else. But it's like you go that. ऐसा पूरा उल्टा, it's
I
like
know.
a N.
Bridge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
that Ramdev Baba thing.
That's yoga.
Shout out to shout out. But honestly, the first time I ever saw yoga was through him. So like,
See, he's an iconic figure
Yeah.
in India.
Who's a
Yes, I agree.
shout out Baba, shout out Patanjali.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
इसके बाद पता नहीं होगा भी या नहीं स्पॉन्सर.
नहीं होगा, वो तो नहीं करेगा पक्का. बट so sports quota में मतलब क्या होता है? How many marks do you get added on?
10% or 5%.
10% for
Some
playing
crazy
Kho-Kho?
shit, bro. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I
Not
would have
for
gone
Kho-Kho,
catching
actually.
legs,
I
bro.
got it for because I was a gymnast.
Okay.
Because of gymnastics. And I played till district level. I had medals and everything. So then even in for college, I took science. I have no idea why I did that, but I did it. Just because I wanted to prove something to somebody. I have no idea why.
You realized you couldn't, no?
Yeah. And then
Maths लिया या bio?
bio.
Bio, okay.
Yeah. Because I thought bio might be better than math, but both of them suck.
Yeah.
Both of them are horrible.
Even I
Yeah.
took bio thinking that bio तो मतलब easy होगा maths, but 12th का bio कितना hard है bro.
इतनी मोटी किताब, पता नहीं उसमें क्या क्या लिखा है.
ICSE? Were you on ICSE?
SSC.
SSC.
ICSC तो
SSC में तो
दूरी
कभी नहीं
रखो
रहता है
यार.
bro इतना मोटा किताब.
12th में.
Maybe I
12th
got
में
the
तो
wrong
हाँ.
books. I don't know.
Yeah, what were you studying?
मेरा तो पतला वाला था bro. I would only study those 20 most likely questions.
Most
or
likely it
something.
used to come.
21 most likely
21
questions.
most likely used to come, and small booklet would
यार,
come just before your
ICSC
exam.
easy है क्या?
नहीं
नहीं, this is
HSC.
SSC. Like state board.
हाँ, yeah.
Yeah. अब ICSE में तो 2 बुक्स रहते हैं ऐसे मोटे वाले. One is zoology, one is botany. तो first to 10th I did ICSE. फिर 11th में जाने के टाइम पे I saw the books. I was like bro नहीं होगा मेरे से. HSC.
I did it without seeing the books. Otherwise, I definitely would have changed to arts, which I did eventually.
How much
Yeah,
did you
12th.
get in 12th?
ये सवाल
ऐसे
ऐसे
बोल रहे हैं
पूछ
भाई जैसे कि मैंने क्या पूछ लिया है bro.
ये सवाल, you know what?
Your-
Every time I go live,
See,
there are these kids who follow me, and then they ask me कितना % मिला 10th में. इसलिए ये क्या सवाल है यार? कुछ एक्टिंग के रिलेटेड पूछो यार. ये क्यों पूछना है?
so this is also like an Instagram live. This is a version of it.
No, they ask that because let's say, oh, I got 70%. So they'll be like, oh, if she got 70% and she's here, तो मतलब हम भी कर ही लेंगे. They don't know that they
ठीक है
won't
ना,
get
मतलब 53
She's-
मिलेगा
she's
फिर
not-
भी तो पहुंच ही सकते हैं इधर जहाँ मैं पहुंची हूँ.
there. हाँ उसीलिए तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ना.
तो इनडायरेक्टली बता ही दिया ना मैंने.
अच्छा okay. Oh, 53 is bad.
Yeah, no, she was actually a Darshan Safari.
Wow. These guys are bullies.
नहीं, प्यार से बोल रहे हैं. I got 67%.
But then look where
myself.
I am. तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? तुम लोग कितना मिला? 70, 60?
नहीं, 60,
35.
67, 66. साइंस में
क्या उखाड़
69 आए
लिया?
थे मेरे. Yeah. This one was studious. ये हेड बॉय वगैरह था, इसको बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वगैरह
और अब
मिला.
पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं.
How life changes.
Yeah. अभी दिन में कितने DMs आते हैं?
मैं चेक थोड़ी करती हूँ.
नहीं करते हो.
Bro, above 1,000, pretty sure.
A minute probably at this point.
Your
At this
notifications are
point,
turned off.
yeah, maybe. Because I get more than 100 stories every single day.
Story mentions.
Yeah, story mentions.
वो थिएटर में लोग देख के they tag over.
Yeah, that is happening a lot. तो वो हर एक 2 घंटे में चेंज होता रहता है. So it's, I don't know in a day how many there are, but yeah, keep seeing that.
It feels good.
Of course it feels good because I don't remember when was the last time that people were actually hooting in a cinema hall. And they were whistling and hooting. I was like, wow,
Yeah.
what a feeling.
First film that too. First film तो mostly सबका flop ही होता है वैसे. मतलब
It's not, it doesn't do this well.
हाँ, yeah, for sure. Like
well.
your expectations from a first film only can't be like a blockbuster. चल hit
Yeah.
हो जाए कैसे तो
Yeah,
भी.
मतलब blockbuster
hope
तो
for it.
obviously नहीं था, but then those were not my hopes. I knew that it will do well because Ritesh and Genelia.
Yeah.
But then this was clearly unexpected. I'm sure like Ritesh and Genelia as well, they didn't expect this.
Ritesh is one of the most underrated actors in the industry. He's been around for so long and
He
उसने
is
सब
such
किया
a
है.
brilliant performer.
Did he reach out to you himself? Because he made the movie, right?
No, he didn't reach out to me himself. There was this casting director who reached out to me.
Okay.
And he asked me whether I would be interested. And I was like, what is it? Like, he told me it's with Ritesh. I still asked, like, I would need you to narrate me the story and everything. Then I can decide. And then the story was really nice. And Ritesh himself directed, like, narrated me the entire story. Which was very sweet of him. Like, why would he do that? He can have anybody to sit and narrate me the story. But then he did it himself. And that was actually very nice.
That
So
shows,
then
that just shows you how much he cares
yeah,
about the project.
he's so he was very passionate about it since the start. I could see it, and that's when I was like, I could see it that his vision is very clear. He knows what he wants out of the film, and exactly what happened when we started shooting. He was very clear about how he wants the character to perform, how he wants every single frame to be. Everything was very clear in his head. So that was a very good thing, being a first-time director.
What were you doing when you got that message or email or call? Like, were you acting in something else?
Yeah. I was always busy. Like, fortunately, I've always been working. So I was, at that time, I think, I was doing, I think I had just finished doing my last show. That was Katalal and Sons' last show. And that's when I got this call.
So
While I was doing
done.
it, I got a call.
Okay.
Yeah, while I was doing it, I got a call. Then again, like, he took a couple of months and I got no call. So probably I thought, like, they might have taken someone else.
Yeah.
And after a couple of months, like, once the show was over and everything, I got a call again asking me for it. And then we locked a meeting and everything. It's like, okay. And then I was, along with the film, I was also hosting a show which was Good Night India.
Okay.
Okay.
So, that
that
was
was the
pretty
show.
hectic. Jan. So we were shooting in Alibag for the film. And I have motion sickness.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was it
so
on like
then-
a ship or?
No, like motion sickness.
Yeah.
That's seasickness, bro.
Okay. Sorry. I got confused. Even I have motion sickness.
Yeah.
Like, I can't even play games in which the character is moving like ऐसा. Like PUBG वगैरह खेलते हैं ना?
Yeah.
So when you move around, I get sick. Like, I feel like throwing up. It's that bad for me.
Oh.
गाड़ी में तो I always feel sick.
Oh shit, that's bad.
Yeah, I made
Might
it
be
about
vertigo.
myself for no reason. You can continue.
Yeah, so then I had to drive all the way. So I preferred driving. They gave me a car and everything, but then I was like, no, I'll have to drive because it's too
So it's
long
that
distance,
bad
so
for
I
you?
won't be able to. Huh?
It's that bad for you, your motion sickness.
Yeah, I don't know. Back then it was. I think it has pretty improved now.
How long ago was this? Last year?
Yeah, last year January when we shot for this.
So when you got the call, you were like, "Fuck, bro, movie आ गया." मतलब,
No.
no.
I was not like that at all. For me, it's like if the role excites me, then I'll just go for it. Like, I don't care which platform it is. I don't care who it is with. Obviously, if it's with like Ritesh and Janila, obviously I'll be excited to do it if the role is also very exciting, which actually happened.
Yeah.
That's why I took it. But otherwise, if it would have been a like small part or something like that, I wouldn't have taken it. Be it with anybody.
So now at least like you know that that's your benchmark.
It
That
has
I will
always
not-
been.
You'll never go below that particular
Well, it's always
threshold.
been like that. There was just one time, no one knows about this. There's this one time I did a very small part in a TV serial. And I was so like, I was shaking from head to toe for the first time in my life like that. I just couldn't accept like, why am I doing this? I kept asking myself this, why am I doing this? मतलब इतनी गरीबी आ गई है कि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है या क्या है? What is the reason? Why are you doing this? And I had no answer for myself to that question. I was just like, why am I doing this? And after that, I was like, you need to know your worth. You can't be doing anything like that.
When did you start acting?
I started when I was 16.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
When I was 18 when I got my first film.
Okay.
That was South. I didn't understand shit.
So which language was it in?
That was Telugu.
So you spoke or they dubbed it?
They dubbed it, obviously, but then I had to say my
Say the
lines.
Yeah.
words.
Yeah, and then my co-actor would laugh. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm trying my best.
And how old were you? 16?
I was 18 when I did my first
Okay.
film. Yeah, 17, 18. Yeah. And then, that was one crazy experience. So I couldn't understand shit. Like, I couldn't understand if I am doing good, I'm doing bad, like what's going on, because it's like I'm in an alien world. I have no idea
that's
what's happening.
Crazy, bro. Like, think,
Yeah.
imagine if
That's
we were
the
doing this
biggest
podcast
challenge.
and everyone else around us is speaking in some other language only, or that language isn't even a language where you can like make out a
Make
few
any
words.
Yeah, but like now I'm so confident that even if you all like start speaking in some other language, I will start speaking in Marathi. I don't care.
So you'll just do it to like fuck with us.
Yeah.
नाही we can also speak in मराठी वैसे.
करायचंय का पॉडकास्ट मराठीमध्ये?
मराठीत मध्ये करूया आपण पॉडकास्ट
चला
5 मिनिटासाठी.
5 मिनिटाचा सेगमेंट करू आपण.
Wow, you all are actually good.
We are Pune
We are
people,
expecting
bro.
you to reply in Marathi. You only said.
लय भारी मस्त है. चला करूया.
We are Pune people, bro. हम लोग MC स्टैंड सुनते हैं, हमको मालूम है सब मराठी.
अरे शेमड़े.
Have you listened to his music?
Not really, but then
I'll make you listen, bro.
Yeah.
That was the Shemdya.
Yeah, that's because of Big Boss. He got so famous for that thing. Like he's calling everybody shemdi, shemdi. I was like, यार कोई तो उसको response दे दो, कोई तो बोल दो अबे चल रहे शेमड़िया.
अरे कोई तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करता है ना ब्रो. शेमड़िया शेमड़ी तो स्कूल में बोलते थे हम.
Yeah.
जो ऐसा रुमाल ऐसा पिन करके आया उसको हम शेमड़िया बोलते थे ब्रो. और वो आके oh you were one of those रुमाल पिन. Sorry, I have nothing against people who pin rumal to their uniform.
She struggled so much. 53% लाया कैसे तो?
Yeah.
Exactly.
0.
If I tell you the reason behind it, people will cry, okay? So
Yes.
shut up.
Say, let's get them
Let's
to
make
cry.
the audience emotional.
We are here to make people laugh.
No, it's okay. All emotions they should.
Yeah, all emotions.
Yeah, feeling आनी चाहिए.
So it was actually my mom and dad separated when I was giving my board exams.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was going through a
went there.
lot of fucking shit. A lot of shit. A lot. And
We hard relate, bro.
We'll talk about it later. Why will people cry over this, bro? We've made so many jokes on this.
yeah, like now I'm fine.
Yeah.
Like now it doesn't matter. Now
Yeah, you
I
were
was
young
like,
back then.
yeah, I was young back then, and especially for girls, I think it's too many hardships come like if you don't have a father. Yeah. At least even if
you
I
still
had
have
a
a
brother.
father?
What?
Like a father figure in the house.
Okay.
Father figure, yeah. I don't have a father. He's alive, but
Okay.
I don't have him in my life. So
Okay,
then
okay.
it's the same shit.
Right. Okay, now I feel bad for making that joke.
Take back the Shemdya, bro.
Yeah, but that is so rough, bhai. मतलब एग्जाम के टाइम पे if I would be there, my crush is not replying to me, मैं पूरा बीटी में जा रहा हूँ, पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है. This is तो a real
इनको
problem.
क्रश की पड़ी है.
हाँ, ये तो
These
real
British
problem
children.
है ना.
Privileged.
Yeah. हमारी लाइफ में कुछ अलग ही चल रहा था ड्रामा.
Shout out to my parents for that.
Shout out to everybody's parents, also to all the single parents out there.
Yeah. Okay, what were we talking about? You're watching Big Boss?
No, I'm not.
No?
I can't watch Big Boss.
If
So
they-
it's just like too much झगड़ा ये सब. I can't watch.
अगर बुलाया तो will you go? नहीं अभी तो करियर
I
अच्छा
thought
चल
of
रहा
it a lot.
अभी तो अच्छा चल रहा है ना तो I don't think you
Like
should.
बाद में retirement के time पे.
But I don't think it's like that anymore because since I think last to last season, things have changed for Big Boss. No, I don't watch it, so I don't know. I'm
I'm
just
watching
assuming because I think जो भी कर रहे हैं already एक peak पर है लोग and they are just getting a boost to wherever they are and.
Yeah, this season I've been like watching clips and all because of Stan.
Yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, no, I'm just getting all these clips because I follow some media pages. So then, because of them, I get all the update that's happening in Big
No,
Boss.
I'm following it because every time I talk about Stan, I get views. So, yeah, he has a lot of fans. So they'll post.
किन
clips.
गरीबों के साथ पॉडकास्ट कराया मुझे.
You also have a fan base, so now like मैं तो reels बनाऊंगा ही नहीं. तेरे fan pages बना लेंगे, bro.
Yeah,
We'll ask
they're
one
like,
of them, bro.
they are actually like really good. If I like post just a random video with you all, they'll make a reel out of it and like so good. I'll be like, wow.
Hire them,
I'll
bro.
actually fall in love with these boys. Like, not really, but yeah.
Hire them for your own personal content.
Yeah, I've done that. Like, I've posted their reels that they've made.
Yeah, that's like this thing that's happening now. Like you don't even need to rely on your own team for making the content.
Yeah.
There's
I
a lot
know.
of like odd content coming from the
This is
audience.
something that I learned from my friend Saad.
You
Shout out
remembered his
Saad.
name?
Shout out to Saad. Kafi sexy bitch.
Abu
Look at how he just came out nice. भगवान जैसे प्रकट हुआ.
Abu Jan made this happen.
Yeah, like he made this happen. He's always like, I've got these 3 friends in my life at the moment who are just these cheerleaders
So
in
now
my
you remember
life.
all their names? Go for it.
First is Kafi sexy Saad. Then it's Karan Shah. And it's Just Shah. Just in the end because he's not watched my film yet.
Oh,
I'm going to say
Oh,
this in the
shit.
podcast. Yeah, he's my best friend like since 15
And he
years.
hasn't watched the film?
And
He hasn't watched the film. Yeah.
Oh.
What does that speak of your friendship? 15 years and he hasn't watched the film.
ऐसे एकदम बीप 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 डाल दोगे ना तुम लोग?
कर दे जो करना है.
वो तो film बड़ी बात है like this
Exactly. Like imagine अगर now that I know you
Yeah.
guys, imagine tomorrow you guys do something huge. I will be there for you all. You know, like I
Really?
will, yeah.
That's so sweet.
bro, I appreciate that.
Delete कर देना.
She's lying, bro. Look at her.
But then if
This
if
deserved
at
a
all,
shame, yeah.
if at all like you all like
Yeah.
we get close and you're all my friends and like that, then I will be your
Support,
biggest cheerleader.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's what friends are for. That's
Yeah.
what friends do. Except for Josh, who's my friend since 15 years.
I think you should rethink that friendship. He's gonna make me look bad now in this camera angle. He's like, Laude, move the camera a little.
No, but what if he's okay? So Stuvi here, he's a DJ, okay, and
कितना % मिला था तुझे?
In 12th,
Yeah, in whatever.
70, I think, or 69, या कुछ तो ऐसा.
और अब डीजे बन गया.
Now that's such less marks. What am I gonna do bro, in life?
Excuse me.
That's just showing off. 53 के सामने anything looks big, bro.
Please. You see where you are now? You're
Okay.
taking my podcast.
I was trying.
73?
73 नहीं यार bro, that was too much.
कितना? 63.
69 है.
Guys,
69.
I was trying to make a point here.
Yeah, yeah.
69. Oh, by the way. That's a good number.
Yeah.
There are no comments for that.
Yeah.
You make your
good.
point.
My point was, so this guy, he's a DJ now, and like sometimes he has gigs, and as much as I want to be there, I just can't. मतलब real life तो चल रहा है ना, कुछ
तो क्या पी रहा है?
हाँ,
Coffee.
water,
अच्छा.
पानी तो है.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा तो क्या बोल रहा है.
No,
Yeah, he's getting to his point. Supporting friends.
I'm defending your best friend.
Okay. मैं
No,
क्या पी लूं?
but sometimes like when he's on stage na, like I'm nervous for him.
Why?
I don't know because I really want him to do well और मेरी मतलब फट जाती है. So what if he's also like, he's like, bro, I'm too nervous to watch the film. He's like, what if I
What
don't?
what if you've not done a good job in his eyes?
So you can just tell me.
No, why, bro, ऐसा तो
You
Please.
should always lie to your friends.
especially if
if they're-
if they're doing well.
Please. Like Karan has watched the film, Saad has watched the film, and they gave me their honest feedback.
We'll also watch
Like they are also my biggest critics, and they will tell me shit in my
Did
face.
they like the film?
Yeah, they loved the film. I don't know about Saad though. Like he just watched my part. He didn't watch the entire film. It's like मैं सिर्फ तेरा part देखेगा. हम जाके दारू पियेंगे. ठीक है.
As long as a ticket is being sold.
मतलब इतना मतलब डब्बा नहीं जा रहा है
अब वो
फिल्म.
He's
picture
doing very
तो
well.
भाई,
He's
आपने
doing
तो
very
That's
well.
what I'm saying.
they don't
हमको
need-
लड़ना पड़ रहा था टिकट के लिए. But yeah,
You went for the premiere?
of course.
How was
No.
that?
She decided to miss on it.
No, that's just how you start a story. Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Start your story.
Wow, you went for you shot for your film or your duplicate shot it for you.
CGI.
CGI. Deep fake. We taught you something new today.
What?
The thing where it like can
Oh, the
speak to
deep
you.
fake.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, I just like the name.
Deep fake.
Deep fake. Isn't that what you do with your life?
Whoa.
We fake deep. We don't deep fake.
That was very
So,
stupid.
तुझे
What was
Now I'll ask you, what was your expectation coming on this podcast? Did you think like it's going to be super deep?
No.
I was like, oh,
Please.
wait, I'll do that if you want. It's like, so, how's been your journey so far?
How's been your journey?
Yeah, other interviewers don't speak good English.
Oh, that's why.
You really want to do that?
No, we've already done
She
it.
got worried, bro. For a
No,
second.
I am not worried at all. I've spoken about my life. I don't know if like people, if they've watched my interviews, on a lot of interviews I've spoken about my life. But I didn't make it all sad unless they put a BGM of sad music and shit.
You give us a story, I'll put the sad.
Yeah, we also got, bro.
मैं बहुत गरीब थी.
Were you?
No.
No?
बाद में बहुत गरीब थी यार, ऐसे मत बोलो यार.
हाँ, 53% के बाद तो मतलब.
हाँ.
घर से
उसके
निकाल
बाद
दिया ना?
मुझे ऑनेस्टली 53% मिलने के बाद ना घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ा. ठीक है.
What did you study after that?
मैंने साइंस लिया, पता नहीं क्यों. उसके बाद मैंने आर्ट्स लिया.
Okay.
या दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आर्ट्स करते हैं.
फिर 12वीं में कितना
सिर्फ
हुआ?
पास होना है, फर्क नहीं
12th you
पड़ता.
got 53 then in arts.
Yeah, I mean like it didn't matter
In
because
arts you
I
got 53.
अरे it didn't
अरे
matter.
ठीक है ना, you don't have to
I
keep
was already
repeating it,
doing
bro.
a film.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. So then it really didn't matter.
Yeah, it didn't matter. I was already doing a film. I knew which path that I was heading at. Where it didn't matter if I'm even.
The first acting role you did was a film or a
Yeah.
a Sida film?
The South Indian.
Seedha film. Let's do the
That's crazy.
toughest shit.
And then like after doing that, did you say कि मतलब यही है, मतलब मुझे यही करना है, I like doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No doubt.
No doubt. Initially, I had a lot of doubts. Being a shy kid, my mom was like, actor ban ja. I was like,
She always knew.
पिया है क्या? अरे एक दो कमाल है, क्या बोल क्या रही है? मतलब मैं जो किसी के सामने खुद का नाम भी ढंग से नहीं बता सकती थी. People used to bully me. Kids used to bully, man. Like शेमड़े लोग. They used to bully me.
Were you an
And,
ugly kid in school?
Ugly kid? Do you think I was ugly?
No, like there are a lot of ugly people who are good looking now.
Yeah,
Like
like
that.
puberty hits you and then you become.
No.
No?
I was
always
just
good-looking.
growing my age. Like at that time, I looked good. At this time, I look good.
Yeah.
Probably in future, I'll look better.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, so then
क्या
did-
बोल रही थी मैं?
नहीं तूने वो पिक्चर किया and then you
After
were
your
like,
movie, you decided that you want to act. So you said your mother used to always tell you
Yeah.
to act about.
Yeah. So like it was my mom. She was like acting try कर ले. I was like she's lost it. But then I was like ठीक है. Now that she's saying it, otherwise तो पढ़ाई के मामले में तो डब्बा गुल. तो वो और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकती मैं. तो ठीक है यही ट्राई कर लेती और कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं. So then I tried. It's like oh this is something I love. I love doing that. I love doing this because if I'm playing somebody else when I'm not myself, I can do whatever the hell I want. Then I don't care. You want to judge me? I'll simply be like, you're judging that character, not me. So I have that freedom to do whatever. So then I didn't care. So that's how it started for me. And especially when I did this, recently when I did this show where I hosted, I have stage fright. So like, that was
was
crazy
it live?
for me.
Was that live? Like, was there a live audience when you were doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
We obviously had live audience there. So doing this in front of so many people, I was like, like I have acting experience now. I have the confidence, but still,
Yeah.
like I don't know if I'll be able to do this. But then when they started putting me in different characters. Then that was outstanding. When I did that, I played Marathi, Gujarati, Haryanvi. It was amazing. I had the time of my life. I was like, go on stage, do whatever the hell you want because you're not you.
Yeah.
You're just playing a different
so you
character.
enjoy doing that.
Yeah, I enjoy doing that.
Well, you must have been doing it well if they are trusting you with all those different.
Yeah.
Like वो ऐसा language ही बदल रहे हैं and they're like, oh, you're this, you're that now. Then to adapt to that.
एकदम से ऐसे लैंग्वेज ही बदलता है ना. फिर तो मजा ही आएगा ना ऑडियंस को.
This was a part of it.
Yeah.
Thank God.
But
What?
so that must have been like heavy practice
Not really. Like I used to do this in my fun time when I was in school or something. This is what I used to do. Mostly, all of this has come out of from the place where I used to try and make my mom laugh.
That's so sweet.
Yeah. So when I used to do this, my mom used to laugh a lot. And then that's how it started. That's how I put up that reel, Marathi reel that I did on Instagram. And that's how Ritesh and Genelia spotted me. Yeah.
My mom sounds very sweet and supportive.
She is fun. Like all my friends love her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then they disown me and they become friends with my
They're
mom.
like, oh, I'll hang with auntie only.
Yeah.
No, but if
So
she's like
cool.
told you, if she was the one who came and told you, like, you need to try acting, that is,
Yeah.
that's unheard of for an Indian parent.
I know, yeah.
मतलब ऐसे थोड़े parents रहते हैं cloud chasing types.
Yeah, but she has heard what not, you know. She has heard things like, अरे यार ये क्या किया लड़की को ये film industry में डाल के बहुत बड़ी गलती की, this that. This was your biggest mistake in your life that you've done. Like God knows what all she'll have to go
Where
through.
are they now?
Casting
Where the
couch.
fuck are they now?
They call me and they appreciate my
Their
work.
apology better be louder than their disrespect.
Yeah, I've heard what not. And then she was just quiet. She didn't say nothing, and because of her, I didn't say nothing. And it's just that my work is speaking for itself.
जलन तो होती है bro. Other parents उनका बच्चा corporate में job कर रहा है and like this girl is on TV तो
Like the whole world knows. Like all of India knows her at this point.
yeah.
Yeah.
My mom is the same. Like she's always been super supportive. Like when we started doing this now, the way we are doing it and the stuff we are saying, the relatives would like call just to ask. And then when it came to me, they're like, oh, what is this thing you're doing? What all are you saying? क्योंकि देखते तो सब है. That I know.
Yeah.
And then my mom, from the first minute only, she was like, you probably don't get it, but this is what content is now.
Yeah.
So either you watch or you don't watch, but this is what it is. And my son is good at what he's doing. So
Wow. For your mom to say that.
yeah, because she obviously this is all hard for her to take. But she sat me down and she said, okay, what is this? Explain it to me. Because he's like, I don't get it. Obviously,
Yeah.
मम्मी लोग को podcast वगैरह समझाना तो or just even content in general.
Yeah.
Then I told her this is what it is. ऐसा चल रहा है. Then she was like, okay, if you know what you're doing, do it.
That is so cool.
And that is a boost.
Yeah.
मतलब if your mom is with you ना, she's like, तू कर.
Yeah. Then you have no fear.
Yeah.
You'll just go for it. Like, ठीक है ना? जो भी कर रहा हूँ माँ को पता है तुमको जो बोलना है बोलो.
Yeah.
सोच ले सवाल सोच ले.
नहीं सवाल तो
Trying to see where the conversation should go now.
No, I'm तो having too much fun. I hope you are as well.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a no.
Did you watch any of our stuff before coming?
Kind of, yeah.
And what did you think?
If I say the conversation will go towards that point,
it
which I don't
won't.
want to.
Okay.
It was all about sex.
What did you watch?
What have you watched? Yes, you first
नहीं
tell us that.
तुमने you must have seen.
हर एक चीज
नहीं,
में
you
sex.
You must have seen.
See, now because of this, you all should put this me saying sex,
See,
so you
now
get the
that we
attention.
brought it up,
Yeah.
ये
let's talk about sex.
ये हम तो नहीं करेंगे वो fan pages out of context लेके कर देंगे bro. But you must have gone to the page and you must have seen the most viewed stuff. Or Bobby, now sex gets views, bro. But I can't help it.
Sex sells at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But honestly, none of our content is sex centric.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What have
What
you
is it
watched?
then?
Like genuinely, you don't remember
No, I don't remember. There was this girl. Yeah.
that reel, no, that you watched.
Yeah.
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 Out of one reel, you
She just had to say.
look सिर्फ sex बात कर रहे हो.
She just had to say that girl, and literally
And
everyone
literally
in the
everyone
room knew
knows
exactly
which
what
video it is.
Pretty girl.
Yeah. No, I mean it's something that it comes up in conversations. Matlab.
Yeah, but like, I don't know, like, what's the fuss about it?
Yeah, like,
हाँ,
it's
ठीक
too
है.
taboo in India, so that's
Yeah.
the reason why.
It's changing though. I really believe that it is changing. और लोग बात कर रहे हैं. The people are opening up.
People should open up.
Yeah.
There should be sex education in schools. There should be a proper, somewhere at least, like give it at least in colleges. Somewhere, like in education, make it a part of your education. I think it should be there.
Even if it's in the syllabus, like टीचर्स तो स्किप ही कर देते हैं सीधा बिकॉज वो अनकंफर्टेबल हो रहे
We've
हैं
had like funny things over this education.
स्कूल में.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah, they were trying to give us awareness on breast cancer, and the boys were there too, and they saw it, and they started doing this step of the Salman Khan song that had come. I don't remember the film. That girl who looks like Aishwarya Rai.
That too.
That film. That film, which was very famous.
This is just chill.
Lucky.
No, not just chill. Lucky, no? Yeah, Sneha Ullal.
Okay.
Sneha Ullal and Salman Khan's film. In that, there was this song, and they were doing this step.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and they started making fun of it. It was just
Why
about
was
breast cancer.
this-
Because this is
I
how
don't-
you're supposed
yeah.
to massage the breast.
Oh,
so
I
you
never knew this.
know
So you
where,
understand
if,
where the lumps are.
yeah, if there's a clot, if there's something, so you have to get it, like, you
Yeah.
have to go to the doctor if there's something that you don't feel it's
Yeah.
natural. And yeah, that is what it was all about. And then these boys started making fun of it.
But
so
see, you
then,
still remember it because of the boys.
Boys तो
Think of it
awareness.
that way. Think of it that
The
way.
boys were trying to increase
They were
awareness.
spreading
Their
awareness.
intention
by
was,
doing this.
intention pure था bro उनका.
See, all of you all still remember. Even those boys will still remember it.
No, they could have not let the boys in for that. I mean, उनको तो क्या?
ठीक है ना, उनको भी अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए. उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड,
See, even I didn't know this.
Yeah, they have sisters, their mothers at home. They might just go tell them and get a slap before.
And then one,
Mummy is like, बेटा मुझे breast cancer हो गया.
he just does.
That is not funny at
That
all.
is just not funny.
You guys are
You
just,
guys-
you guys are bad
This
people.
is why they don't give us sex education.
Yeah,
Because of people like us.
Yeah. You guys are making fun of it.
yeah.
You
This
literally
is it.
taught us the step. I didn't even know the step.
I was just talking about the boys who made fun of it, and you all are the same.
There are some gems though, like teachers. I remember we had this sir. He was our biology teacher, and he made sure he did everything he could to give us like a proper understanding of how everything works. उसने syllabus के मतलब out of syllabus he covered everything,
He took after
Oh,
class.
and he took anonymous questions from people. He took anonymous questions from people if they had any queries about just sex and like everything. So भाई वो time पे तो this was like crazy. And people, generally kids in like 7th, 8th standard उनको तो कुछ मालूम नहीं है. And they're asking all sorts of fucked up questions. But
7th, 8th?
yeah.
मुझे 12th में जाके पता चला सेक्स क्या होता है. Please. And then me being the nice sister, I
still
went to
don't
my
know what it
cousin.
is.
You don't know what sex is. Nice. Good for you.
We should discuss it.
I'll link you up with our teacher, bro.
me his
He'll
number.
take care of you.
Sorry, you were saying that you were a nice child.
and then
and-
I wanted to be the nice sister, and I went to my cousin's sister, and I tried to explain her things, and
Yeah.
she was just like, "Yeah, it's sex. I know how it's done." I was like, "How is it done?" And she explained the whole thing to me. I was like,
And how old was she?
she was younger than me.
Oh.
She is younger than me, and I'm
That
like,
breaks your heart then.
"Yeah." How do you know that? I didn't know.
Yeah.
Why do you know that?
Yeah, and why do you know that?
Yeah, it's a little unreal at the start when you figure out, oh, this is
Yeah.
what happens. Usually, sex education तो society में एक लड़का होता है, वो सबको बता देता है कुछ तो misinformation. But like it's close enough to what it actually is.
बच्चे आसमान से टपकते हैं.
नहीं वो तो मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं.
किस करने से प्रेग्नेंट हो जाओगे.
Yeah, I've heard the worst things. I had this friend. His parents told him, like he asked his parents, ki, where do kids come from? And she was like, so when two people get married, because of the love that they have for each other, God senses that love and gives them a baby.
Oh, so
Yeah.
cute.
Some of them
So
have.
now everybody knows that this is how kids are born.
Yeah. One of them told her to, you have to take a pill, and you get kids out of it. वो तो मतलब उन्होंने effort भी नहीं डाला story बनाने में.
What pill is that?
Yeah, I don't think.
You know, a pill to
I
not make
pill.
children. The other way around.
Yeah, ऐसे तो है बहुत है मतलब. I remember the first time someone told me, it was this, we were going on a school trip, and this like older guy who was sitting next to me, and he's like, from Pune to Mahabaleshwar, so like 4 to 5 hours. He's like, oh, I have nothing to do, I'll just teach this kid about sex. So like I got a full lecture. It was like aisa hota hai, waisa hota hai. I was in 5th standard.
And how old was he?
9th, 10th. That's how I found out.
You sure he was not?
I
He was
don't
trying
know.
to.
I don't know. Maybe I have some
that's
unvisited trauma.
Yeah,
He'll bring up ideas.
I'll bring
scary.
I'll bring it up with my therapist next time.
Suddenly Amin starts crying remembering that day.
What music do you listen to?
Except rap, I listen to everything.
Whoa, you don't like rap?
No,
At
this is
all?
not my vibe. No.
Okay, so like Bollywood,
Yeah, I like Bollywood.
new
Few
Bollywood,
songs. Old Bollywood.
old
Old
Bollywood.
Bollywood is gold. It's gold.
Old मतलब क्या 90s?
She's talking like the
90s.
90s or
90s. No.
No.
Not that old.
Not like
But
the Kishore
then
Kumar times.
I like few songs of Kishore Kumar though. But then 90s was the best.
Early 2000s also.
Yeah, exactly. When we had all these albums and CDs and all
Cassettes.
these cassettes. That was the best time.
Yeah.
That's the best time. I used to like remember like I don't know. Oh, मैं Gen Z's के साथ excite हो गई
नहीं
यार.
नहीं
बोल
तू
ना,
try
बोल, तू
try तो
try तो
कर.
कर.
We'll do our best. We'll do our best to relate.
Like we used to make a cassette like of like our favorite songs. And then we used to send it to our like crush or whoever.
How do you do that? How do you record?
What is a cassette to begin with?
Have you seen the save button?
Oh, that's a floppy disk.
Oh right,
Yeah.
right. Sorry. I got confused.
Now she'll tell us the pencil trick also, how to rewind a cassette and all of that.
Yeah,
No, we
that
know.
was
No,
the
no, tell us, no, teach us now.
We know what a cassette is, but I don't know how do you put songs on a cassette.
Well, how do you put songs on a cassette? You just record it.
So
How?
basically, your tape recorder
There's a-
used to
there's a
have
button.
record button.
Also, you
Record
press
button.
record and you like put speaker on that.
No one.
हाँ फोन होता था उसमें स्पॉटिफाई पे गाना बजाते हैं फिर कैसेट में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं फिर वो कैसेट में रिकॉर्ड हो जाता था फिर वो दे देते थे दूसरों को
नहीं, I'm genuinely asking. Do you put like 2 cassettes? एक पे गाने हैं और दूसरे पे नहीं है. Then it gets copied. Is it like that?
Explain it.
मैं तो
explain.
pretend भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ
He's
bro.
genuinely
अभी.
asking. He's genuinely asking. How did you like burning a CD?
Burning a CD, I know.
Okay, पहले वाला stage. How did you record on a cassette? As a tape recorder?
I also don't know that now. I've forgotten. But then, there was just some ways, like, I don't know if there were like 2 cassettes and then that's how you record it. I don't know. There's some way that you record it. And that's how people used to do back then. Nobody gave me a cassette, man. Please.
Then why were you so excited to discuss this?
Because people did that.
And you
I
found it
always
cute.
wanted that.
And you never got one.
Yeah, I never got one.
We'll ask people to send it. All the viewers.
अभी तो भाई.
Bro,
अभी तो
viewers who are watching, we'll ask them to send you.
किधर भेजेंगे bro?
Spotify playlist
कुछ तो
भेज
address
दो
बना लेंगे
चलेगा
आप।
यार. Spotify playlist भेज दो अपना. You're most welcome.
Oh, that's
to
a
do
cute
that.
thing to do. I
Yeah.
feel like
Would you
for-
find that
That's
cute
such
if
a nice
someone
thing.
like makes you a playlist and sends it to you?
People even, of course, that's the best thing if people do that. But otherwise, like people have this thing. Like I have done this. I was in a long distance relationship, and we used to write each other emails.
Oh,
Yeah.
that old.
Sweet.
That's old school.
Right.
Sorry.
Old school.
Okay, so you had.
I had this boyfriend. He used to.
Yeah. तुम्हारी तरह ये WhatsApp, Snapchat, ये 5 सेकंड का प्यार
सब
नहीं है,
नहीं है
ठीक है?
ना?
हाँ.
पिजन आता था रोज
Lifetime.
12 बजे.
I wish pigeon होता तो pigeon भी भेजती UK.
UK.
Pigeon is gonna die, bro.
बेचारा bro.
Pigeon is like भाई मुंबई में पकड़ ले कोई तो.
It's like तू इधर का कोई तो भी ढूंढ.
उसको ही बोलती तो ढूंढ दे यार. उसके कैमरा लगा देती है हर खिड़की में जाता. बैंड्रा में ही छोड़ देती उसे.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
so
a
you
good
were
idea,
starting
though.
with your
Emails.
email story.
Yeah. So I've done that. Like,
साइबर कैफे में जाके ईमेल और
hey, hello. How old do you think I am?
no
This is like 4 years ago.
Okay. 4 years
Yeah.
ago I was
So you were
WhatsApp.
writing emails.
Come on.
Yeah.
Why would you not write like a message on WhatsApp or something?
But ठीक है ना, email में problem है तुमको.
नहीं ईमेल हम यूज करते हैं जब
It's like
blocked
writing
everywhere else.
letters. Yeah, that's like writing letters,
that's
you
so
know. But that'll be like too much effort. I don't want to put like too much effort, but I want to put an effort.
Yeah.
So then emails.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Like he'll receive an email like while he's working, while he's at office or something, and he'll receive an
You'll be
email.
distracted.
Yeah.
काम नहीं होगा उसका ठीक से.
Shut up. That's not no attachments.
I thought she didn't hear it, bro. I was
That's
hoping
why
she did hear it.
I heard that.
Yeah, those cassette times were insane because I was like old enough for my parents to listen to cassettes. So when we first came to India, I remember we had, this is when Imran Hashmi movies, uske songs sab blow up hote the. So my parents
You
would
don't
get
like
those
Imran
cassettes.
Hashmi?
I love it. What's not to love? He's all about love.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Too much
He's
about
the one who taught India how to love.
Of course.
Bhai, kiss
All
karna.
All these 2000s ke babies are made from there only, bro.
Imran Hashmi is
We
like
were
our
not
real
allowed to
father.
watch his films.
No
so.
one was allowed to. Bro. None of us were.
Yeah.
भाई उसका म्यूजिक वीडियो
But
आता
छुप
था
छुप के
TV
देखा
पे.
हमने.
That's why ना cassettes.
That's why cassettes.
CD होता था bro.
CD वो तो आता था 50 in 1 like all the top hit songs.
Yeah.
Pirated.
Pirated version we used to buy.
ये pirated version नहीं, like actual album का
We were not
CDs
rich,
आता
bro.
था.
ऐसा।
क्रॉसवर्ड में मिलता था bro.
Crossword में मिलता था.
Yeah, ऐसा compilations I
Mose
remember.
Bar was the company that used to make CDs.
Mose Bear bro.
That's how it's pronounced.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Where are they bro?
I don't know if they still make also.
I don't think so. CDs तो कोई यूज करता नहीं है अभी.
We should just have a conversation between us.
Nice. I don't even know what they're talking about.
Yeah, that was one good era of music. KK blew up then, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, KK was big then. There was
No, I like
James.
his songs too. There are few songs that are actually good.
Who? KK?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still the
KK
goat,
is-
bro. KK is the
Yeah.
goat.
Like, yeah, what's wrong with KK?
No, he's
I'm
saying he was good
I'm
only, no.
complimenting only.
He's saying that's when music
Oh,
really
blew
picked
up in a good
India.
way.
Yeah.
I don't get these Gen Zs, I'm telling you.
Bro, अभी कर लिया जर्नी कर लिया मूवी के बारे में बात कर लिया. Now we'll get.
तो ऐसे करके आँख क्यों मार रहा है?
I have a problem.
Oh.
That's what he says.
Yeah, that's my excuse.
That's how you make people feel bad about you. Bad about bullying you.
I was winking
You
because
tried your game. No, now let him do his.
I was winking because I was going to ask you कि like
कर लिया ना,
हाँ,
कर लिया,
मतलब-
कर लिया. सब कर
no, I
लिया.
was gonna ask you कि scene क्या है मतलब बंदे अभी तो like DMs so must be full.
तो DM देखती नहीं हूँ ना मैं.
Oh.
Problem वो है.
Blue tick वाले DM भी नहीं देखती है.
Until unless they tag me on a story or something, then I'll see it probably.
So if a guy is trying to talk to you, they have to tag you on a story.
Yeah, maybe.
And has to have a blue tie.
Engagement strategies.
No, what do I do with a blue tick? मतलब उससे क्या ही लेना देना है?
What are you looking for then?
What am I looking for?
In a man.
In a man?
In a
Guy,
relationship.
boy.
Let's.
Relationship भी नहीं मतलब अभी what's the scene? I'm trying to. That's why I was.
I was a little hesitant.
That's why I was
Okay,
winking.
what is the scene right now? If you're comfortable discussing.
Has to be a man.
Oh, that's a good place to start.
That's a very nice start.
Is that all it takes?
Has to be a man.
Man. Okay,
Yeah.
like Andrew Tate type people. Is that what you're into?
Oh well. Oh well. It's a very complicated thing nowadays. I don't know.
I don't know
I'm
what's
a,
right.
you know, like I'm a sucker for romance, but this generation that I'm in suck at romance.
Oh.
What's romance?
Poetry. Yeah, what's your definition of romance?
Emails.
Signing
That's
off the
one.
email, bro. Regards. Regards, Gia.
With love.
Love.
Yeah.
Chia.
Schedule a Google Meet at 4:30 p.m.
Shut up. But I don't know. It's like people are not even like, they don't even have interesting conversations anymore. They just want to like get into your pants. Like, Can I buy you a drink?
No.
Yeah. So that's how it's
I stopped using that line.
At the age of 16.
No, there was this one time I said this to a girl because I was like, मतलब यही तो बोलते हैं ना, मतलब बाहर जाके. So she's like, no, I can buy my own drinks. And I was like, oh,
yeah.
okay. I will never.
He was also very young at that point.
Yeah,
when
but
he used it.
Yeah, so that line has been retired. It's never been used.
Good.
since
Then what's your line now?
Now I just talk to people. I try. I was like,
See, now-
treat them like a person, bro.
Like what? Can I try your Yoto?
No.
Oh, no.
There is a very nice this thing.
I
What
have
is
an
it?
anti-vape policy.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
Vape तो नहीं है ना. No, I would just go and say like, hi, what's up? No, that's not a good opening.
Wow.
Should I tell you the best opening?
Wow. Hey, what's up?
So you take your kerchief, go to them and you like, does this smell like chloroform to you? Take it a little closer. In front of everyone's head.
No, I'm waiting to see if she laughs so that I can also be comfortable and laugh.
No, she didn't get it. Or she got it, but she ignored
No,
it.
but like,
दोनों
repeat
movies
it
में नहीं
again.
देखा like when they.
I said you take a cloth,
Yeah.
like a hanky or something, and you go close to them and you be like, does this smell like chloroform?
What the?
Oh, it doesn't actually have chloroform.
What
Okay.
the?
So
sorry.
that's the...
He's worse than me.
You also took like 4 attempts.
No, I didn't hear it. He was talking. Yeah.
Okay, that was my best. Which clearly is not
It's
good
nice.
enough.
No, it's not bad.
Not bad. Would you fall for that if some guy comes and is like, oh, can you smell this?
Depends
All
on.
chloroform should fall for that, bro.
That was a good one. But then no, I would not fall for that.
How would you prefer someone approach you?
I don't know. Like depends. First, if it's like I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. He has to be funny though. Like humor gets me. If you're funny, that's it.
That's it.
No, not that's it. But there are a lot more things to it.
Man plus funny. That's it.
No. I could give examples to that. Would
You-
not work, but then I don't
You
want
like
to.
pickup lines?
Depends. I don't know. I'm not
Depends
sure.
मतलब
किसी ने
See-
यूज नहीं किया मेरे ऊपर किसी ने नहीं पिकअप लाइंस
So you never experienced.
you're not
Yeah, I'm
opening
not
your DMs, that's why.
experienced. People are only appreciating my work is what I would like to believe.
Okay. Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
live
You
in
should
delusion.
you should open your hidden requests. You will see your work.
Will that be fun?
Work
if we
appreciation
Open your
in
DMs.
the form of blurred pictures. Sorry. But I hate to say it, like hidden request में तो वही है bro.
क्या है
Oh, okay.
खून से लिखे हुए खत
Yeah.
That's a romantic way to put it across.
That's what it is. It's just too easy, bro.
what
Just like sending anything to anyone. That's what I'm trying to say.
oh my god
Yeah. Don't open your hidden requests.
I'm
Yeah,
not
whenever
I'm not
you
doing that.
check your DMs, don't open hidden requests.
Yeah. But so yeah, pickup lines.
Who are these boys?
Saad told
We
me
are
to,
also in your hidden request.
no, Saad told me to. It's like don't hold back. So I've been like this is the real me now.
Yeah, be yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
बस आँख मारना बंद करते बट ठीक है.
He has the problem, bro. How are you
think,
bullying
I
him?
think I have a lazy eye.
It's like
Yeah.
what are you doing
yeah.
tonight? Like
It's like that welcome wala.
after tonight's
Does
party.
that work?
It's like, why are you winking at me? What is that behavior? It's like, that's a disorder. Oh, I'm so sorry.
See,
I'm
that
so
would
sorry
work,
to
no,
make
then.
fun of your disorder. And I'm like, good way, yeah.
You're just making fun of people with disorders now.
Shit.
That's not cool, Gia.
Cheers to that.
To
Just
people with disorders.
Cheers to my disorder. But are you looking or
What?
like are you open to a relationship?
Yeah. Are you asking me out?
Huh? Bro, okay, listen.
See, this is what Sad had warned you about.
Listen.
Okay, how should you do it if you had to do it?
I don't know. He would know that.
No.
I'll tell you if I'm impressed.
Am I funny? Funny तो like I'm a man का बाद
तू
में
डिसाइड
देखेंगे
कर
but
ले
I'm
पहले, खुद डिसाइड कर ले.
no मैं खुद को तो funny नहीं बोलूँगा ना. That's so narcissistic and I'm not clearly.
I guess.
Yeah.
Did you also wink right now?
तो चल funny is ticked. Man also like
You are a boy.
I'm a boy.
Gen Z. Yeah, how old are you?
24. 24 is not a boy.
Please.
24.
I want someone older than me.
Oh.
Yeah, so you're out
Like
already.
retirement age.
What did you say?
As a retirement age.
I'm not looking for a sugar daddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
पैसा तो बहुत है bro. That we established in the
तो
first
मैं
10
भी कमा ही
minutes.
रही हूँ.
तेरा that's what I'm saying ना तेरा पैसा बहुत.
Yeah.
Oh, so what's the range?
Yeah, what is your age range?
28 to 32.
28 is not older than you.
Yeah.
28 to 32.
28 is older than me.
So married men mostly.
Okay, they are older than you. You
Yeah.
are 23.
7.
And I are 23 right now.
But age से क्या होता है, bro? Age तो age है. Like,
Yeah, age is just a
I
number.
know some like
Age is
really,
just a number, yeah.
I know some really dumb men at 30, bro. Like that तो.
You don't look 18 though, yeah.
No? What then? 16?
You look 21, yeah.
21? Okay.
21 is doable.
21?
Mentally you are 16, yeah.
Okay. ठीक है.
That's also a high
I'll just, I think
Yeah.
I'm playing that character.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
16 to 24
It's
year
how
old
you were
audience.
playing your that talk show pe na.
Yeah, you to played a guy, bro, in one movie. I can play 16. That is
It takes balls
Yeah,
to
yeah, for
play
sure.
a
Literally.
character. But literally.
You're not going to get any rishtas from this episode. Or like no one's going to reach out to you because our age limit is still 24.
yeah.
मेरा भी Instagram पे वही है. I've got these kids. They are amazing.
Yeah,
So
that,
you're like
that
a
to
hero.
you'll say always.
Shut up. तुम लोग उस एंगल में मत घुसो. They're like kids who love me.
So they're like,
yeah.
they message you.
Yeah, they make all these edits. Like even if I put out a story with you all, they'll like within like 30 minutes there'll be edits out there.
Do it then.
You know? Sure. Just say that you want a shout out, guys.
I mean,
Why not?
this is more than a shout
I'm doing
out,
it.
dude.
Yeah. Yes.
This is way more than a shout.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you all are welcome.
So that means you do check your DMs. You lied to us a little while back.
नहीं वो story mentions.
Story mentions देखती हूँ ना. That's how I know. Yeah.
So any actors and all in those?
I'm not interested in actors.
Why not?
I don't want to date anybody from this industry. Yeah.
So you have your mindset on that.
Yeah.
Let's say some very big blue tick actor is there in your DMs.
It doesn't matter.
Ignored?
Yeah. No, not ignored. I would talk to him, but not like I would date him.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You don't have a
into
celebrity
actors.
crush?
No.
Doesn't have to be an actor, just a celebrity.
No.
Can be from outside India.
Yeah,
too.
it can be
You
outside
can be
of
safe
India
and
also.
just say, oh, Brad
Like
Pitt.
say Ryan Reynolds. So hot.
Who
bro.
doesn't love him?
Exactly.
He's married though. Anyway, like
So
as if I had luck. ठीक है.
so there's literally no one that.
No.
But who's your celebrity crush? At least someone.
I love Shah Rukh Khan.
He's also married.
He's also married.
That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bro.
Like he's love, you know, like he's love, like he's everybody's love. Like the way he speaks, the way he talks about women. Oh,
full
that
circle.
man is just like. You
Yeah.
boys need to learn a lot from him.
Yeah.
We'll learn.
Yeah. Bro.
Like everybody. This generation needs to hear him.
Yeah.
You know, the way he respects women, the way he talks about women. And I don't know, it's just everything. Be it about women, like men, like society, like everything. He talks about everything. And that man is just amazing.
Yeah.
And that is how I love him.
Yeah.
That is why I love him. Not just as an actor.
Yeah. Gauri watching this probably. Should
We'll make a 30
Why
second
not?
clip,
Like,
bro.
ठीक है ना? गौरी देख रही है तो क्या?
Shahrukh.
तो क्या गौरी कौन है बे?
You guys are taking it somewhere else only, but
No,
I
never say
just
that.
love him as like.
No, I'm just
I
messing
love
with
him.
you. Bro, this has been a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing this. I
Yeah.
had a lot of fun. Even though
You're trying it hard to
Yeah,
find
yeah,
words for
I
it,
think-
but
I
I
think-
get it. Like,
No,
it's
no,
been
I-
awesome having me on
Yes.
your podcast.
Just do it now,
Yeah.
bro. Do the outro. Look there. Do the outro for yourself.
I winked like 6 times at you and like it was like
Yeah.
there was no reaction. So
So we're calling it over here.
yeah.
We end it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this was great. Let's do it again when you do another blockbuster film.
Yes. Even though like he didn't speak about my film, but okay.
We did.
We spoke,
We did?
bro. We spoke like 3 minutes.
Okay.
काफी था, bro.
मूवी तो
Let's
अच्छा
end
ही
it
चल
here.
रहा है